Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to recover deleted file on Zarch archive. So guys, the method one, open your Zarchive file folder and if it was deleted, and long press on the folder and enter selection mode and tap the three dot menu icon and select undo. It's if available option. For example guys, this file and selected three dot, and this is for example file guys, and click undo, and this icon you find undo option. After that guys, if you this would not work, you can install application like a recovery app like this app. You can use this one guys. For example, you can use to recover your deleted file, and this is available on Windows, and you can use to recover, and you can use this one as you can see here. This app, it is good also. You can use to recover your file easily, and this is a website recover. This is some website guys to recover your file. So this last step guys, you can connect Android device to PC using USB cable, enable USB, and onto your Android device use file recovery software like this one, like Recover and ACUS to recover your deleted file.